Okay guys, maagang pamasko para sa dalawang to. At si Kuya Asher ay nagtrabaho ngayong araw. Umattend po sila ni Daddy sa Christmas party ng Freshmart. Oh, that's Daddy's work. So, ito po yung mga nakuha nila. Napakarami po. Napakarami.
Opo. Isa lang mag-iibilang. Bilang.
Dalawa lang sila umattend. Hindi pa kami umattend yan, ha?
Bilang.
Bilang tayo.
Sa'yo to. Ito sa'yo.
Oh, meron ako. Oh.
1,
Okay, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
yes. Si Kuya Asher binibilang niya.
8,
Ang dami naman.
9,
Reklamo.
and
Ang laki niyan, no?
10.
Ito pa.
11.
Ay, 11. So, may 11 silang gifts na nakuha. Grabe naman. Napakarami naman. Picture! Upo ka, Asher. Baba ka. Hindi kita makita. Okay, picture! Okay, it's time to open the gift. Yeah. 1, 2, smile, Raphael! Okay, go. Oh, give it. Oh, Kuya Asher, pick a gift. Oh, wow.
What is it, Daddy?
What is it, Kuya Asher?
What is it, Jordan?
Hala, ang ganda naman yan.
What's this?
What's that? It's
Soft,
a...
fluffy, massaging booties.
Wow. Massaging booties.
Para sa papa mo.
Para sa paa mo, Kuya Asher.
It's open.
It's very soft. Can I touch it?
Problema is
Oh, wow.
yung size yan.
Tingnan natin, anong size?
My friend.
Multi-size daw, multi-size. Sabi nung ano natin. Ano yung salaming core? Can you hold this, Kuya Asher? Sige, wait lang. Wait ko muna dito.
Hi. What is that? Snowman.
Salaming ko dito.
Okay. Okay.
Hirap nang walang salamin eh, diba? Okay, Raphael. Open it! Next! Pakarami namang... Hindi pa Pasko yan, ha? Unti-unti pa talaga, no?
And then na ang gifts po. Ang dami.
Oo nga eh. Asher, saan na yung banyo? Ooh, Raphael's opening the gift. What you got? What is it? Sa Christmas party ni Mami, wala tayong nakuha eh.
Ta-da!
Wow! That is Old Spice.
Is Old Spice bunso.
It's not open.
Yeah, Old Spice is a
Brand.
body wash, one body wash,
A
one
brand.
deodorant, one deodorant stick. Ayun, tatlo. Ayan. Old Spice. Kaya Asher, next. Ikaw naman.
A lunch.
Oh,
Sa
wow,
lunch
it's a
box.
lunch box.
A snackle box.
Snackle box. Oh, bagay na bagay kay Paing yan.
My turn.
Oh, Raphael's turn.
Yung kapatid ko.
Yes.
I don't know.
Ilagay niyo dito. Ilagay.
Daddy, let me open the present.
Open it. Open it.
Ayan, nakadalawa na kami.
For you.
Ah, tatlo na pala. Ang dami niyong gift, ah. Hanggang next year na regalo na yan.
Yun lang sa dati po. Yung
Yes.
Wow!
There's lots of bars.
Yes, there's a lot of bath bombs.
Pura pa yan.
My
Right.
I need a minute.
This, Raphael, these are bath bombs. You're gonna use it when you do bath time. Yes.
Siyam na ang
Yeah,
amount
that's a
ng
lot of
mga
bath bombs. Wow. Next. Okay. Kay Asher's turn. Kakatapos lang ipaingi.
I'm definitely grateful to it.
Yeah. Lahat ba kayo nakakuha ng ganyang karami?
Hindi. Si Jonah magaling. Marami rin nakuha.
Eh, yung iba, may nakuha ba?
May nakuha pero hindi kayo karami.
That's mommy,
Diskarte kami ni Asher.
What is it?
What is it?
Yung ako at ikaw de, ang quiet tayo, ang magaling tayo. Tama? Tama,
Pero
de.
may iba pang games. Wow! That one is a set of 2 charging essentials.
Wow,
6
that's so
AC
big.
wall tap. Para kay daddy yan. Yan yung nasa, ano mo, Asher, nasa room mo.
Meron tayo niyan.
Oh, Asher is opening something.
What?
What?
I like it.
Wow! That's
I
daddy,
like it. That's mahal.
Raphael's
That's
favorite.
$90.
Oh, daddy,
Hey,
daddy, that's for you daw. Oh.
thank you, anak.
Aww.
Thank you, anak.
Ay, mga gift. Oh, yan ah. Ay, may payakap.
You're good buddy.
There's a toy
Oh, there's another one. Okay. A tall one. How taller than
If
you?
it's not chocolate, if it's chocolate, then I'm gonna eat it.
Right away.
Of it. Then yung kapatid.
Okay.
Meron pa?
Open it.
Ito. Ano yan?
Meron
Ano
pa.
yung isa? Yung bag. Yung bag. Yung bag.
Yung
Meron
mga
pa
bag.
soap? Ayun pa yung box.
open
May box pa. Ayan.
Ano?
Oh, Asher, Raphael, open it.
Ano gusto mo?
Yung may box. Ayan. Ayan.
Okay.
Kay Kuya Asher yan.
Okay. Open it, Raphael. It's your turn. Okay.
I like this.
Yung hilig mag-open. You like that?
I like this.
Daddy likes. Daddy like your gift.
Kailangan natin to, alam mo ba?
Not chocolate, does it?
Napaka-importante ng ilaw. For emergency.
Tama.
You have proud.
It's cookies.
I'm proud to my body.
I'm proud of you, Kuya Asher. Ginalingan po nila sa laro. Kaya nakarami sila. Wow! Halos lahat ng mga gift niyo pang boys ah.
Look.
Alam mo niyo talaga kung anong kukunin ah.
Look.
Give it to daddy. Ah, kay Kuya Asher. Pwede na rin niya kay Kuya Asher. Oh, may gift ka na naman kay Paeng. Kiss na daddy, kiss.
Kiss daddy.
Kiss naman sa daddy. Ah, wow. May mga taga-bukas ka ng gift. Okay, there's more? Wala na?
There's yung back.
Okay, how about the tall one?
This one.
How about this?
You can try to remove this.
Now we need tall one.
We need to open the tall one daw, Kuya Asher.
Impatient.
Yes.
Taller.
Okay.
Open it.
Yeah.
Help each other. Can you help each other? Baka masisira yan.
No.
Together. Raphael, together. Open together.
Asher.
Oh,
Open together, okay?
okay, wait for him. Wait for him. Okay, Raphael. He's excited for the tall one. Ooh.
Wow.
Wow. I see 504 grams of, what is that? Harry
Whoa.
Potter, Warner Brothers. What is that? It's a, what is it? What is it?
Now wash it. I don't.
I don't know. What is that?
Chocolate.
Is that Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Is that, maybe there's a golden ticket.
Hindi totoo.
Oh! Look, Asher. Meron tayong drywall.
No, I know it's chocolate.
It is chocolate!
Big whopper.
Wow, it's Harry Potter.
Chocolate. Yes. na yan.
Wow, it's a Harry Potter chocolate,
The other,
guys.
yung chocolate is...
Plain. Hogwarts Express snack. Oh, hindi ko alam to. Hindi kasi ako nanonood ng Harry Potter eh.
previous na ang
Kaya, hindi ko alam yan. So, this one is a Harry Potter London to Hogwarts. Ito yung ticket. It's a biscuit with milk chocolate flavored topping. Cocoa biscuit with topping. Ito sila.
Andun.
Biscuit and chocolate. Wow, haba ah. Matangkad pa kay pa. May isa pa. May na-open pa si Paeng. What is this? It's a candle. That's for me. Yan. Ang dami. So, what's inside? What is that, Raphael?
It's a jar.
It is a jar. It's a jar of scented candle. Wild Berry Blast. Ang dami
That's
naman.
yung present. Yung na
Ang dami naman po namin
This is yung
gift.
game is from the game.
From the game? Wow.
Game number 2.
Wow, may game number 2 pa. What is that?
Looks like
This one is a diamond peeling gel. Wow, this is for mommy. Or pwede din kay daddy. Diamond peeling gel.
Para sa mukha ko yan.
Para sa mukha. Yes.
Kasama ko yan actually, yung gamit ko.
ito yung item yan of the second.
It's for the face, for mommy's face.
Oh,
Is that
actually to this.
mine?
Wait.
Yes.
I want it.
This item na yan, it's at the last but not least
Not but police.
yung position ko yung may
Ingay ni pa.
It's
Okay.
a green apple and bubble gum air freshener for the
Wow, air freshener. Rafael,
Actually,
huwag mo nga pakan yan. Para Pasensya na po, magulo. Maingay po kami. Ito ay green apple bubblegum jelly belly. Is this food?
that's not pang standing. That's not for standing.
Oh, this is for the car. Car air freshener. Car.
Yeah.
That's the last gift. Wow.
No, of
Good
the
job,
center.
everybody.
Center of the yung ng bola, yung ng with a yung ng like a clear of a material po. Yung,
Okay, next. Meron pa ba? How about that one? May nakikita pa ka ba?
please show that nung the image.
Yeah.
As an example.
May dalawa pa, oh. Ito, tsaka ito. Ito, familiar to, eh.
Ito yung
Familiar yan, eh.
the best po.
Nakita ko na yun.
That's
No, it's not. I mean, it's very practical gift.
Nabili yan siya.
Yes. Yan ang gift ni Daddy. Oh, next. Oh, last one na para matapos na to. Full storage na ako. Bigyan mo yan, eh. Bigyan mo na sa kanya yan. Ayaw mo naman ng chocolate.
Easy, bunso magagamit niya nasa for the Grinch.
It's a challenge.
Oh, sige na. How about yung ano mo, nabunot mo?
Last
one.
gift po na yan.
Opo.
Ito.
Yes.
Yung
Here's the
isang
jar.
clothing.
Isang clothing.
Para sa
Is it what?
Shoot mo.
kulay black na ang hoodie.
Shoot mo yan para
Suot mo
sa-
nga!
Sa alternative
Test.
sa ano.
Parang mag-test na ano po. It's just a
Pepe?
regular
I
na
got
kulay black na ang
Oh, nice.
wala yung ng
Basag na, oh. Na, ano na, oh.
Makainin mo.
Pepper.
Oh, suot mo kaya, sir.
ikot siya yung
Kung maputol man ang video na to dahil full storage na ako. Okay, guys. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Okay.
don't sound Korean. Ito yan yung nakikita mo ang walang yung ng add-ons po.
Walang
Halimbawa,
add-ons. Alam mo, Asher, anong gagawin mo?
Halimbawa, yung
Magpapaprint ka.
the add-ons to yung ng
Logo.
the clothing yan as a
Clothings,
merch po.
Ipiprint mo.
Ano yung back po na yan, nothing.
Suot mo, suot mo.
Wala.
Ang tawag dyan, plain. Plain hoodie. Ganda yan, ha? Oh,
Sakto-sakto
ganda,
sa'yo.
oh. Saktong-sakto na sa'yo. Ganda. Congratulations, everybody! Congratulations! Ako, pinakagusto ko to. Ito. Ito.
This is fluffy.
Ayan, bagay na bagay ko kay Asher yung nakuha niya.
Ang bata ko.
Yay! Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas, boy.
Okay, Merry Christmas, Raphael!
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Thank you, Carrie and Jerry. Ano pangalan na?
Make sure you do not
Carrie
lose
and
the
Brent.
items that you...
And sa mga katrabaho ni Daddy. Sa mga gifts, napakarami. Thank you po. Say bye-bye na. Kuya Asher, ikaw na mag-close ng video. What will you say?
Thank you. Maraming salamat po of the...
Thank you, Papa.
Ikaw.
The
Thank you,
earlier-
Papa. Thank you, Mama.
I'll show you.
You faced some challenges, the two challenges.
Mhm.
Oh,
I feel like
Mommy!
the next year there
Mommy!
will...
I got the fish!
I feel like
Oops, sorry.
the next year
Mommy.
there will be another new challenge po. So
Yeah.
there's gonna be a challenge number
Yes. This is the second year
3. Opo.
na umattend si Asher ng Christmas party ng Fresh Mart.
Not genuinely not something yung na-expect ko.
Oh. Bakit naman hindi mo na-expect?
So yeah. Anyways,
Lovely fish.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Oh!
Oh! May UFO. Whoa!
Flying in.
A flying moon. Naglaro ng mga bata. Okay, bye na. Asher, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
we're all grateful tayo.
Okay, see you next year. Bye!
Have a nice day.
Ang vlogger ko pamilya.
Hindi mo na-understand. Hindi po may.
Yeah.
Sometimes never. Sorry, Mommy. I didn't like the flashlight.
Bye!